Alright guys, on today's video I'm going to give you an introduction to Microsoft 365. So the first thing you're going to do is, if you don't have the icon, type in Edge on your search, open up your browser and go to office.com. Okay, once there, click on the sign in and you're going to type in your email address, which is your first initial last name at pvpc.org. Here it's different because we're not live yet. Okay, once you've put in your sign in, click next. And now we're going to type in your password that me and Jay provided you. And then you hit sign in. Never save your passwords. Please don't do this. It's too easy to get these passwords. Hit yes or no on this if you'd like, and this will log you in. If you click on your initials here, and then we're going to go to view account, and once in there, we're going to go ahead and change your password because it should be unique. Now go ahead and put in the password that me and Jay gave you, and then create a new password, and confirm the password. Now hit submit. Now if it comes up saying choose a password that's harder for people to guess, go ahead and put in the original password me and Jay gave you and create a longer password that's more complicated. And click on submit. Now your password is changed. Again, never save it in your browser. Now from here, you can click on the tab here, Microsoft Office Home. You can close this out, and on the left hand side you have your home button. You can sign out and then sign back in with your new password just to confirm your password is working correctly. Sign in, click on your name, put in the new password that you just created, click on sign in. I'll just check this, I don't want that. So again, on the left hand side you're going to see your Outlook, which you will have your email in there. Like I said, we're not live yet as of today, but when you watch this video, we will be. You have your PowerPoint, Word. We'll open up Word, and we're going to open up a blank document just so you guys can see what it looks like. And go ahead and close this. It basically looks pretty much the same. You're just going to have to poke around and find stuff here and there. But your Outlook is still open, so let's open up Outlook. I'm going to open up an email, and I'm just going to copy some text out of here. Right click, copy, go back to my Word document. Oh, I just opened up another one, but it's okay. Let's close that one out, open this one up, right click, paste. So now you can see, you can go file, save as. Now you can save a copy online. You can rename it, download a copy, even download it as a PDF. So we're just going to hit save as. Okay, now we're going to rename the document. And it's going to save it into documents. And here is your online repository. So we're just going to hit save as. And now the document is saved. We can close this out. Let's close that out. Go back to Microsoft Office. Now you can see down here I have Excel, so let's open up a workbook, and we're going to save an Excel document just for testing purposes. 1 + 1, 1 + 1, go to file, file, save as, save a copy. Okay, I'm this. Test 2. Saving in the same location. Save. Alright. And let's close this out. And click on My Content, and you can see your documents are all saved in there. Okay. So I hope this helps you guys out just to get started. There might be some more videos on the way, so stay tuned, and I hope this helped you guys out.